Hey guys, hi, how are you doing? I feel everyone is safe and taking their own safety precautions and all. So today I'm making this video just to share my feelings and thoughts on something. Exactly, I will not tell you the whole story of stuff or anything, but whatever I am feeling like sharing to you all, I think you will relate to it in some sense. I don't know from where to start, but let's see. Sometimes I feel like I'm stuck in some others' lives, or some other people's life. Why do people like hold on to me? Like they don't want to give me priority also, but they just wanna stick around and just want to stick around and pull something from me, and just to make everyone's lives at peace. And you have to make hard decisions in life at one point of time, and you make that ultimately, irrespective of that time. That decision may hurt few people or anyone, that decision may hurt you yourself, but you have to make the decision. So in order to call off future unlikely events or anything, future unlikely fights or anything, you have to make decisions at one point of time. So I don't understand this thing, that why people look onto those people that they don't give priority to, they are not friends with, and they are not even directly or indirectly, they are not in any kind of relation kind of thing with that person, but they just have something in their mind or anything for those people, and they just pull fight, or they just pull some comments, they just give some comments and negative comments, and they give some negative vibes to the person. It's not happening. One should be, feel free. One should feel free from negative environment. So I think everyone deserve to make their own decisions for life, and not exactly directly hurting people, but by explanation or everything. If you are not getting anything from some people or relationship or friendships, you should move on, I think, because that may not help you in any sense, or that even that is causing you trouble or anything, so you should let it go after a point. ज़िंदगी में कुछ फैसले ऐसे होते हैं जो हमें अल्टीमेटली लेने ही पड़ते हैं, और वो फैसले शायद आपको खुद भी हर्ट करें, दूसरों को भी हर्ट हो, जो भी उस फैसले से जुड़े हुए हैं सबको हो सकता है हर्ट हो अल्टीमेटली, बट आप फ्यूचर की ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ों को अवॉइड कर रहे होते हो फैसला लेकर, कि शायद वो चीज़ें और भी बड़ी हर्टफुल हो सकती थी, या और भी बड़ी फाइट्स अवॉइड करने के लिए, या और भी बड़े कॉम्प्लिकेशंस अवॉइड करने के लिए आप आज कोई फैसला ले रहे हैं. तो इट इज़ गुड डिसीजन, अल्टीमेटली. एंड हर इंसान को ये समझने की ज़रूरत है, अगर वो आप किसी के साथ रिश्ते में नहीं हैं, या दोस्ती में नहीं है, या किसी भी टाइप का आपके साथ उसका कनेक्शन नहीं है, या कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिससे आप कनेक्टेड हो ही नहीं हो, तो आप उस इंसान के बारे में इतना क्यों सोचते हो कि उसको नेगेटिव वाइब्स देना, या उसको टॉन्ट करना, या कमेंट करना. आपको इतनी सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में पालने की क्या ज़रूरत है ऐसे इंसान के लिए जो आपकी ज़िंदगी में महत्व ही नहीं देता है, और वो भी आपकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ नहीं करना चाहता है. जस्ट लेट इट बी एवरीवन एट पीस. क्यों ऐसा हम करते हैं व्यवहार किसी और के लिए, क्यों ऐसी ईर्ष्या रखते हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं कि हम दिल से उसके लिए बुरा सोचते हैं, या कुछ मे भी ऐसा हो सकता है, या हम ऐसी मैंने धारणा बना ली है कि कोई हमारे बारे में ऐसा सोचता है. जो भी है, जो भी कुछ है, बट कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो हम महसूस कर लेते हैं, चाहे कोई प्रैक्टिकली हमारे मुंह पर आकर ना बोल रहा है, बट हम महसूस कर लेते हैं कि कोई हमारे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है. तो ऐसा चीज़ें आप किसी के बारे में ऐसा क्यों सोचें, कोई भी नेगेटिव बुरा या गलत सोच क्यों पाले किसी के लिए जिसका कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं है आपकी ज़िंदगी से. तो उसको अपने हाल पे छोड़ देना चाहिए। तो क्यों इतना ज़्यादा सोचना है? हमें अपना लाइफ में डिसीज़न लेना पड़ता है, हमें अपनी दोस्तियां भी छोड़नी पड़ जाती हैं कई बार। एंड ये बहुत मुश्किल डिसीज़न होता है हर किसी के लिए। हर किसी के लिए दोस्त एक बहुत, दोस्ती का जो रिश्ता होता है सबसे ऊंचा होता है, मैं मानती हूँ, ठीक है। और दोस्त अगर आपका छूट जाए तो कितनी तकलीफ़ होती है, ये जानता होगा जिसने एक दोस्त खोया होगा। तो लेकिन आपको अल्टीमेटली इन द एंड यू हैव टू सी प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आपको कोई फ्यूचर में ट्रबल ना हो और ना ही सामने वाले को हो। मेरे को पर्सनली ये लगता है कि यार मेरी लाइफ मेरी प्रायोरिटी है, मेरा पीस मेरी प्रायोरिटी है, मुझे सबसे पहले वही रखना है, हमेशा मुझे वही रखना है। और दोस्ती भी रखनी है, लेकिन दोस्ती वहाँ रखे ना जहाँ पर दोस्त भी कुछ कर रहा हो आपके लिए। आपको कैसी फीलिंग वो कराता है, कभी नहीं कराता है दोस्त आपका, आपको कैसे आप उस चीज़ को उसके व्यवहार को, ठीक है भाई आप फंसे हुए एक चीज़ में, उस चीज़ से निकलो पहले बाहर, फिर दोस्तियाँ निभा लेना। तो वही बात है कि दोस्ती ऐसे नहीं निभाई जाती। दोस्त के लिए तो वही जान भी हाजिर होती है। तो तुम देख लो अपना जो करना है करो। हमें मुश्किल फैसले लेने पड़ते हैं। I feel sometime hurtful, but I don't expect from people anything they will do for me or anything. But if you say you are a friend, you should be there for the friend. But I think it's not even enough to make your friend feel something. I think we all should be sensitive towards how can other feel and towards other person's priorities. And my priority is peace and my own peace of mind. So everyone should be respectful towards what others' priority is. So I think I am respectful towards other priorities too, other people's priority too, because I think I don't mind how people behave with me sometimes, because I know they have their own priorities. And if I make decision for my own self, so I think people should understand that too. And why they feel bad about that, because why people pull me in their lives and like blaming on me something and like making drama and all on something. I have nothing, I don't say a single word, I don't talk about shit things, I don't gossip around. And why these small petty things, pulling out some small petty things, and I don't understand. So I don't want to be with someone, even in friendship thing or any other thing, I don't want to be in touch with any kind of person that may get hurt and that may have trouble because of me in their lives. So I don't want that. So I need to make decisions for my own peace. And I think it's necessary for you to think in that direction, because you have given enough time for that thing to be get resolved, but it is not happening. Then you have to stand up and give the solution. And why don't you take the hard decision which you have to make ultimately? So you have to make hard decisions in life. So it's necessary, practically it is necessary. I have seen that twice in life, and that may happen in future also. So I need to just stay away from these things, these political kind of things. And from my past life, I have experienced it twice, that people pull me in their lives and blame me for their things, their own fights. And it's just too bad to see like how people react, and they can't have their own lives and own relationships, and they blame the third person for these fights and all everything. So I want to just stay away from these political dramas or anything. So I just want to stay away. So these, to just skip this and to get this spared from this, I just want to make decision that I can be at peace and they can be at peace, because I don't want to get blamed for anything. These people don't know me, how I work or how I feel, and how I'm so thoughtful about the things and sensitive towards the thing. I don't want people to suffer in any sense, and that is why I need to stay away. Why most of the people don't think about these things. Most people don't give priorities to these things, and that how can someone feel and what they think about the people and other people, and who can be more sensitive and who can be more thoughtful than as compared to you. So I don't talk much, I talk less. I prefer to talk less because people get judgmental on many of the things. That is the trouble, and that is why I don't speak much and I stay calm to myself, and I just wanna be the same in future. That is why I need to make hard decisions in life, and I need to spare these people and get myself spared from these people. And I think they are also fine people. They are good people. They are also, but why not move on in life and just give everyone a just chill. We are fighting for the living right now, and we are fighting for our lives to be saved, and we are just praying for the best things to happen. And I don't know, the worst situation is going on in this world, and people are just talking bullshit and just talking politics, just gossiping around and saying stuff and holding on to grudges. What the hell is going on? And so I don't want to suffer from anything. I don't want people to suffer. I don't want people to blame me for anything. I don't want people to fight with me, even talk behind me about me, So I don't want any of these. If you don't understand me, let me go. The thing is, so I think I don't want to be part of some drama. I don't want to be. I don't have time. You don't have time. People don't have time. I will just maintain my dignity, and I will just say calm. And this was all in this video. In the end, I will sum it up with I want to stay away any of the people life's drama that may cause me trouble or that may cause in their lives. That I don't want to be part of that, because I am not causing any problem in their lives. I don't want anything from these people. I'm just in touch with these people. That is why it is not the issue that I have a good relationship with a friend or anything, but the thing is, we have to make hard decisions for their own sakes and for my own sake. So I have to be just stand up for myself, and I'm doing that. And lastly, one line for everyone out there, that don't take my silence for weakness, my silence for ignorance, because I choose to remain calm and silent in difficult times also, and not to speak in front of those who don't understand. That is why I remain silent and talk less. So please respect that and respect my space too, and I need my space and peace. So let me just do these things, because it will be better for you and better for me as well. So because I am experiencing year after year, and I have nothing to ask. I don't ask for anything. And the silent people, the weak, the people who look kind, they listen from people. Why do they listen from? And you are the most strongest people among those who feel connected to these thoughts, these kind of thoughts. You are the strongest person. Stay calm, stay silent, stay at peace, and most importantly, stay kind. Sorry for making this video so long. Thank you for watching it, and if you watched it completely, thank you so much, all of you. And if you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you don't like, click on the dislike button. It's okay, it's fine. I will get to know. And thank you for being kind and sensitive. Thank you, love you all. Stay safe.